At Best Reviews, our goal is to help you simplify shopping. We take highly rated products and use them how the average person would so we can test whether or not they actually live up to the manufacturer's promises. Today we're testing the Vitamix Professional Series 750 blender. Many refer to it as the Cadillac of Vitamix blenders thanks to its all-metal finish, intuitive controls, and top-notch performance. We decided to put this device to the test to see if these claims hold up in an actual kitchen. If you're planning to buy a new blender, it's essential to consider its capacity, power, and intended uses. Some lower-end blenders may only be ideal for smoothies, whereas high-end models like the Vitamix 750 can mix hard-to-blend items like ice, kale, and even pizza dough. Vitamix 750 did a great job blending small chia seeds and strawberry seeds in our test smoothie. We found that this machine was powerful enough to blend most foods within 30 seconds. Vitamix 750 costs nearly $600, making it one of the most expensive models on the market. But does its range of features justify the price? We liked how the Vitamix 750 quickly blended nearly anything we put through it. The hard plastic pitcher and the all-metal base are exceptionally durable, and the understated design would look great in most kitchens. However, this blender wasn't nearly as quiet as Vitamix claimed it to be. It was hard to be heard when blending at the highest setting. In general, the Vitamix 750 is a high-quality, high-performance blender that's easy to use and easy to clean. If you use your blender often, this will make a great addition to your kitchen.